This video will help you to use fractions for more advanced calculations. You will find the key steps on the screen and I will demonstrate them live. Let's start by multiplying a mixed number 2 3/5 by the decimal 1.8. Start with the mixed number template shift fraction. Enter the integer 2 and scroll right to enter the numerator 3. Notice that the numerator is highlighted and the other parts of the fraction are in grey to help you with your input. Scroll down to the denominator and enter that. Scroll right to exit the fraction. Now multiply by 1.8. Press the execute key to complete the calculation. The answer is given as an improper or top-heavy fraction by default. If you wish to see the answer in a different fraction format, press Format and choose either improper fraction or mixed fraction as you want. The calculator allows you to input more advanced functions in a single fraction without the need to carry out separate calculations. This ensures you will not make any rounding mistakes or typing errors. On the screen, you can see a triangle with two angles and a side given. Using the sine rule, the length of side B is given by the fraction calculation B is equal to 7 times sine 60 degrees all over sine 45 degrees. So to evaluate this, press the fraction button and enter 7 times sine 60 and close the bracket. Scroll down to the denominator and enter sine 45, remembering to close the bracket. Now press the execute key. The answer is given as an exact fraction. To convert this to a decimal, press Format and choose Decimal. I think it's a good idea to practice using the fraction templates and also to practice converting the answer between different forms, including decimals. A top tip is to make sure that you are careful with the use of brackets when appropriate.